Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I actually made a video earlier and it was just perfect. And guess what? I forgot to download it and I couldn't, it got erased. So guess what? I got to do the video all over again, which I'm doing right now. Hi, everyone. If you don't know who I am, I'm Lottie and Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And I come here to not just entertain you, but to inspire you to continue to be successful in your life, to get the right mindset, being positive at all times. So if you check out my videos, you know what it's all about. It's about me, but I also focus on being creative too as a vendor. You check out my crafts. I love to crochet. So I encourage all of you to check those videos out too. Okay, today's video, I'm going to share with you about how to overcome insecurities and build unbreakable confidence. And it's so important that you overcome your failures, your disappointments. If you're down and out, I encourage you to change your thoughts positively, okay? And identify your securities. Check out what you're not doing that you're supposed to, and reflect those areas. Even write them down if you have to, in the areas that you need to work on where you are insecure. So I'm going to read something a little bit about Brian Tracy here. And I think I lost the page, but let me go back and see if I could find it. Okay, here. What is the difference between brave man or woman and a coward? The answer is that the brave person confronts the fear, moves toward the fear, deals with the fear, and resolves the fearful situation. The cowardly person, on the other hand, backs away from the fear, avoid the fear, and hopes that the fear will go away by itself. When you move towards something that you fear, the fear diminishes in size and influence and becomes smaller and smaller, and eventually it has no influence over your emotions. But if you back away from the fear or avoid the fear, inducing person or situation, it grows and grows, and soon it takes over your whole life. Everyone, as we all have had that experience, okay? So what is the key to developing courage and confidence? Is to act as if. Okay, you already have the qualities, and so we need to walk in those qualities and encourage, be confident in what you desire, act as if you fear not. We say things that are positive and not negative. I wanted to read something about self-care in here. Okay, here. Positive self-talk. Always speak positive about yourself. Be careful never to say anything about yourself that you do not want to be true. Never criticize yourself or put yourself down. If you make a mistake, immediately cancel it by saying something like, "Next time I'll do better." When people ask you how things are going, you tell them everything is going great. Even if you are having problems, you don't need to voice your concern or share your problems with others. When you speak positive to yourself about yourself, these words are soon accepted by your subconscious mind as commands. Your subconscious mind will then actualize feelings, body language, and emotions that are consistent with your self-talk. Speak to yourself the way that you want to be, not the way you may be today. The more you do this, the more you will feel the emotions that are consistent with your words. Remain optimistic and cheerful on the outside. Be constant voice of encouragement and reinforcement to people around you and to yourself as well. And one of the most motivational tools is always maintaining positive expectation, both for yourself and others. That this is why you look for good in people in every situation, and not just only looking in people. Look at yourself. That what's good in you. Okay, build yourself, overcome your insecurities, build unbreakable confidence. And the video I'm going to share with you right now, we're going to watch it right now, and this will help you grow not only in grace, but in success in every positive lifestyle that you want to fulfill. So let's watch the video.
Building unbreakable confidence and overcoming insecurities is a journey that requires self-awareness, self-compassion, and consistent effort. Here are some steps you can take to work on this. Identify your insecurities. Take some time to reflect on the specific areas where you feel insecure. This could be related to appearance, abilities, relationships, or any other aspect of your life. Challenge negative thoughts. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and challenge negative thoughts when they arise. Replace self-critical thoughts with more realistic and positive ones. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," counteract that thought with, "I am capable and deserving of success." Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially when you're feeling insecure. Instead of being hard on yourself for your perceived shortcomings, remind yourself that everyone has strengths and weaknesses, and it's okay to make mistakes. Set realistic goals. Set achievable goals for yourself and work towards them one step at a time. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small. Focus on your strengths. Make a list of your strengths, talents, and accomplishments. Remind yourself of these qualities regularly to boost your self-esteem. Step out of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new things and take on new opportunities, even if they feel intimidating at first. Each time you step out of your comfort zone, you'll prove to yourself that you're capable of growth and adaptation. Surround yourself with supportive people. Surround yourself with friends, family, and mentors who uplift you and believe in your abilities. Avoid spending time with people who bring you down or reinforce your insecurities. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being by getting enough rest, eating healthily, exercising regularly, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Seek professional help if needed. If your insecurities are significantly impacting your daily life or mental health, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who can provide personalized guidance and strategies for overcoming them. Stay persistent and patient. Building unbreakable confidence takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself and stay committed to your growth journey. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of the process, and each challenge you overcome will make you stronger in the long run. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can gradually overcome insecurities and cultivate unshakable confidence in yourself and your abilities.